What's up, everybody? This is Nova Studios. I'm Slade.
I'm Landon.
I know we haven't posted in a while, like 2 months, I think. Well, today we are playing Roblox Snow Shoveling Simulator, and right now I am fighting the ice boss.
Yeah, I'm kind of new, so yeah. I've played a little bit, but
I've been fighting this ice boss all by myself, so well,
and I've actually got people helping me on my quest.
yeah, these are the people on our group. Well,
Shout out to them. Legendary Messi is back in.
okay.
Shout out to him. He is an absolute beast. He's really good at this game. Presidents fallen from the sky. Be the first to claim it. No.
I have a kitchen knife.
That's just dangerous.
And a pickaxe that's going through my head.
That's even more dangerous.
That's even more painful.
Anyway, the quest is about to get done. I'm gonna see what they're doing, how they're doing. I'm actually doing most of the work.
Ice Boss health 558. Is Ice Boss AFK? Because it's not doing anything.
I don't think the ice boss can be AFK. Is it a computer?
I actually think it's AFK.
Okay, just completed that quest. What's the next vehicle that I want to get?
Probably the snowmobile. Okay, the ice boss is actually AFK. Okay.
All of the people in our group have Builders Club except for me and you because ours just ran out.
You did 80%. No, I did 100%. What? But I got 11,000. But I did 100%. Okay. This game is messed up.
Could you come back here and help me with these quests?
You get a badge. It's called Leap of Faith right here, guys. Oh, it's so laggy.
Probably because I'm in the server. And really? 40,000. There we go.
And I also have Grado, guys.
Yeah, he's been playing.
Not even a week. Can you guys get this quest done, or do I need to come in like a pro?
Okay, tap begin a new quest. There's no quest.
Okay. You're
here? Oh,
yeah.
I just see the giant grader name right there.
That just went someone in our group.
Oh, okay, this is gonna get
so laggy?
Easy, boys.
Why am I so laggy?
Easy, I tell you.
Okay, I'm resetting my character. Am I graphics are like all the way down?
That's weird.
So guys, I've actually been playing Roblox for over a year now.
Yeah, and I've been playing over 2 years. Actually, I think 3 now.
You told me you played for over 4 years.
I don't know. I don't really look at my dates.
So like,
I think it won't say on my profile, but I've been playing since I was 3 as a guest profile.
Yeah, so I joined the 1st of last year.
I guess you got him to finally play Roblox. Ding!
Well, the first time I played Roblox, I was a guest. RIP 2017. Rest in peace, guest. You have anything to say about guest, Landon?
They're very ugly.
Thanks. I was one once. That's just me. They have life too, you know.
Well, this is extremely awkward.
So, I'm gonna make a video later today, about me playing Roblox for over a year. And that game is gonna be
never gonna upload. I bet you anything.
I'm surprised I didn't hit that sign. Again, why am I so
plowing the roads, or
do you not see me? I just went through you.
I know that.
I'm holding a kitchen knife while I drive the Gradle. This is totally safe.
Yeah, totally safe.
Totally.
Yeah, and if I run into you, that'll make it even more safe.
Yeah. Go through someone with my giant Gradle.
I just went through somebody. Hi, I'm gonna go through you. Hi. What is that voice?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna go through you. I am the creepy Joker.
Flash or Batman? Landon?
What?
The Flash or Batman?
Flash.
Ask me what.
And completed.
So I'm Batman. Ask me what my superpower is again.
What's your superpower?
I'm rich.
It's not a superpower.
Well, because Batman said it in Justice League.
It's not a superpower.
Can be.
No, it can't. Come on, we need something bigger. Bigger than that.
I'm Iron Man. Ask me what my superpower is again.
You don't have a superpower.
asked me what my superpower is.
What's your superpower?
Stock tech. I have stock tech. Stock tech.
Big parking lot. Too easy.
Are you in the blue truck?
No, I'm in red.
You just have a normal plain red truck, don't you?
Yep.
That's lame.
Don't worry, I'm gonna get one better with Robux. I like the big truck because it's easier to get to places if the snow aren't high. You see, the snow isn't high, I can't reach it. If the snow isn't high, my thing goes over it. Okay, we just got 50%. We were just like, okay, I'm here.
We all got here like the same time. That's the thing.
Okay,
So right now, guys, London is trying to save up for
snowmobile.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm in a large truck right now.
He's in that truck right there. The one with like 1,000 snow in it.
We're the pros.
I was already doing that.
Okay. Too easy. Couple of minutes later. Why is this so hard? My truck was stuck in a house.
Yeah, Nathan's truck was stuck in a house once and he was flung over to Ice Mountain.
Lucky.
But he didn't jump out in time.
Why? Nathan, if you're watching this, mistake.
So some of you probably know this, but just in case you didn't know this, 1 piece of snow equals
$1.
$1. Yeah. And you can also get more money with the quests and defeating the ice boss. So
which I will be doing soon.
And
considering that I've been playing for like 5 minutes with this, and I've gotten $60,000.
So if Quest, Ice, and the Ice Monster wasn't a thing, I would have $1,954,609.
Yep.
And
if you didn't spend anything. Golden Apple Gaming. Okay, new quest. Nope, new quest. I'm staying right by where I have to go for the quest. New quest.
Can we get a pro quest?
Yeah, like gather 50,000.
Well guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you liked it. This video went by really fast, and I'm Slade. That's Landon. And